just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart.
Buongiorno a tutti! It's me again, Ellen, traveling kitchen vlog, and today's vlog, guys, welcome. How are you, everybody? So today's vlog, guys, is all about unboxing my toasted bread. Yes, finally. So being here in the house for 9 days, so it's so difficult for me because we don't have gas yet. So we went to the gas and electrical company that was like 10 days ago, and they just installed a couple of weeks. So today's vlog, guys, I'm going to unbox this toasted bread. I said it's for my brunch, or for dinner. So we bought this in MediaMarkt here in Italy. It's Imetec Dolce Vita, means sweet life. Enjoy cooking with enjoy life. Okay, so join me in we unbox this together. So I'm just gonna put here, twist this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this is our coffee machine. I'm not gonna unbox it because it's already there. Oh my god. I'm not really used to unboxing, guys, because I'm not really fan of unboxing things. Most of our stuff here are new, so because our stuff things from Portugal, we gave it to all our friends. So there you go. Here, a manual here. Let's open. It's color gray and white. There we go. How will you rate the color, guys? Okay. So this is how you open. Ta-da! I just gonna wipe some tissue paper here. And that's it. Plug for the amazing saksakan. So dito tayo. Exit muna natin, guys, ang aking coffee. Pala, guys, I did not do a tour yet. I didn't even do a premiere or live streaming in my house yet here. So ito na siya. It's just this is German. I think this is the plug is German style, guys. It's not Italian style, so I need an adapter. Okay, look, guys. Yeah. Yan na siya. So I'm going to get my pancare, guys. This sandwich. Okay, so this is one pancare ideal di tostare. So this is meant for toast, guys. Toast. So let's check and let's try. Yan. So mainit na, I can feel it. Mini pala ito, mini. Yeah. And I have some cheese here. Sotellite Classiche Original. I'm not really fun with the cheese, guys, but I'm doing toasted bread right now, so I'm gonna try this. Ingay-ingay talaga ng dog, guys, dito sa kabila. Paano ba ito buksan? Why is so difficult? Wala. Yes. Yan. So I guess it's let's see, 3 minutes. 3 minutes with this, guys. And we'll wait. Ganyan ko na, and then later I'm gonna put some prosciutto inside and close. Okay, let's wait, guys. Let's wait for 3 minutes. And meantime, I'm gonna prepare my drinks. Dali lang, guys. Magko-comment muna ako dito sa Premiere. Currently supporting Premiere. Premiere ni Jane's tour. Ayan. So sorry, Jane's tour. I'm currently doing my Premiere's vlog now kasi nga I'm out of food. I had magtagalog na lang ko. Kasi nagluto ako ng rice, guys. It's been like 2 days na ang aking rice, the day after, napanis talaga siya, guys. Hindi na ako mag-English, guys. Kasi kasabaan ko pagalitan ako ng aking husband. Na guys, napanis ang aking rice. So now I'm going to prepare my drinks and my fruits. And then my amazing plates, amazing plates here. Ilalagay natin dito. Ito muna yan. Kasi 'di ba mag-presentation tayo while doing our brunch. Ito tayo sa ating garden. So I'm so happy. Instead of flower here, so what I have here is this basil, beautiful basil, guys. Ayan lang. Ayan. Tayo ng ating drinks na iced tea or orange lang. Ito. I have here a Ace Rosso, orange, carrots, lemon. And for the record, I did not drink anymore, guys, citrus flavors, acids, mga ganun, kasi I have gastric acids, guys, and I always have a heartburn. So ito muna. Okay. Kulang na lang ang ating, tapos na ata siya. Ay, hindi pa. Ano pa siya na still doing it. Okay, let's see if it's ready. Ayan na. Diyos ko. Ano? At least na siya. I know how what to do. Para hindi siya mag-overwhelm, guys. So, it's okay lang. It's okay. Naman siya eh. Diba? Tumigas naman siya, guys. So, it's okay. Nothing to worry with that. Linisin na lang natin later on, guys. But, I must say, the moment na kakaluto na lang yung natin, toast, kailangan talaga siya linisin agad para hindi siya magdikit. So, lilinisin na lang natin. Yan. Linisan lang natin, guys, para maintain lang yung beauty ng ating OC. Kasi the moment na hot pa siya, madali lang siyang kunin. Yung mga madali lang siyang i-remove kasi matigas pa siya eh. Tsaka mayroon namang mga greasy na ano, greasy stuff na yan. Punasan lang natin habang mainit pa siya. See? So, I'm really hoping guys that you like my vlog today. Yeah. So, malinis lang. Madali lang naman siya. Okay. So, really happy with this outcome and my review for this toaster, guys. So, I'm really hoping guys that you like my vlog today, and if you're not subscribed yet on my channel, click the red notification and i-bell na po. Okay, see you on my next vlog. Bye bye po. Bon appetit dito. So, ito na siya guys, atin nang huhusgahan kung gaano katigas yung sandwich. So this is what I have, and now I'm going to add some prosciutto kasi it's because if you cook prosciutto and the toasted bread guys, ang alat po niya sobra, tsaka this is a cru, this is raw, kaya it's not really good. So this is what I do, lagay ko na lang dito, yan, dito sa gitna. Pwede din dalawa na lang, ganito na lang. So I'm just gonna add some prosciutto. And there we go. Hiwain na lang natin para may design naman tayo. Kasi dalawa din naman siya. Mini lang kasi ito eh. Ayan. See? Para ka lang nasa restaurant. You are in the restaurant having a brunch. Here's my amazing presentation. Diba? O, bongga. Ayan. Picturean na natin. Para kakain na tayo.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high.